One of the great features of our Adirondack chair is that the stowaway ottoman comes fully assembled into the chair. An assembly for the chair is quite light, only requiring about 15 minutes time. By pulling on the last boards of the chair, the Adirondack chair extends into its first position ottoman. By raising the feet unit, it creates an additional comfort level for further enjoyment and relaxation. Enjoy your eucalyptus Adirondack chair and built-in sliding ottoman for many years of comfort and relaxation.
Best Choice Products presents our Adirondack lawn chair. Made from durable fir wood and a natural wood finish, this chair is great for any outdoor lawn and garden setting. The sturdy wood material supports up to 350 pounds of weight and can be easily folded for relocation. Made from top quality materials, this comfortable chair allows you to lean back and relax in style.
Tape the legs and the arm support wings as seen. You will need 1 and 12 from the hardware sheet. Place the arm support wings into the pre-drilled holes on the legs. Then put number 1 screw in the other side of the leg and tighten using the Allen key. Repeat this on the other side. Move the legs into this position. You will need 2, 3 and 4 from the hardware sheet. Take number 2 and put it into the pre-drill hole on the outer leg. Lift the bottom seat to match the holes and place number 3 under the chair. Remember to put number 4, the washer, in between the leg and the seat. Align and screw into the bowl. Repeat this on the other side. Now take the back of the chair. You will need 5, 6 and 7 from the hardware sheet. Place number 5 into the pre-drilled hole on the piece of wood that's acting as a hinge. Place number 7, the washer, on the other side. Then place number 6 into the hole on the back of the chair as seen here. Holding number 6 in place, use the Allen key to tighten. Repeat this on the other side. Now for the arms. You will need 5, 6 and 8 from the hardware sheet. Place the washer number 8 on the piece of protruding wood. Put number 6 under the chair as seen here. Put screw number 5 on the outside of the arm and tighten with the Allen key. Repeat this on the other side. To attach the front of the arms, you will need 9, 10, 11 from the hardware sheet. Put number 10 on the pre-drilled hole of the leg of the chair. And put number 11, the washer, in between. Finally, put number 9 in the pre-drilled hole in the arm of the chair. Tighten with the Allen key. Repeat this on the other side. Finally, take the wooden pegs and put them into the front of the legs. This will lock the chair in place. Remember to put the chain pin into the slot underneath the chair to secure the chair. Why not spice up your chair by